morning, everybody. Welcome back on the job today. Just remind you what we did yesterday. We did the top coat of K Rend on the house all the way around, and today's job is going to be to scratch it. So I was showing you guys in the last video, this is what we use, the scratching tool, and I'll show you just how it works. So basically this is the texture. This is it, quite smooth at the moment, and you can see a little bit of texture here. So this is the tool that we're going to use, and basically just do a circular motion like this. It's very messy, very dusty, and as you can see, that's the texture. Okay, so that's what we're going for. So you have to do this like about a day after you've applied it, and it will also help to smoothen out any kind of, you know, little edges and stuff. They all get smoothed out once we use this. It will flatten it all out. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing today first. Then after lunch, when the rain eases up, we're going to finish the roof. We've only got 3 strips of fiberglass to lay, so it shouldn't take us too long. We'll do that after lunchtime as well. So let's go. So we've got clear skies. Finally, we can finish our fiberglass roof. I had to go get some more resin, so I didn't have enough. Also picked up some of these lights as well, which we're going to use on the wall, one either side of the door. We're going to fit these, got some bulbs as well. So heading back now to do the roof. We did really well today. Going to show you guys what we got up to. So we've had a lot of soil being cleared around the back here. These paving stones have to come out, but we've removed the bed here. Thrown up here, there's going to be some backfilling up here as well, leveling out. So we've thrown a lot of the soil up there, and also this big bit of soil here is gone as well, which is great. So this is the scratching that we did. This is the back. This is obviously the front. You can see our lights that we put up as well. Also put in a socket here as well. External socket. We've got our little speaker plugged in. Show you the lights here again. So it's an up and a down light. Obviously we scratched down the side. Started cleaning up the windows, taking all the plastics off, putting the vents on the windows as well, done all that as well, cleaned all the windows up. Just got to get some cleaner and clean the glass. Also did round the back, it's scratched as well. There's one or two little bits where we just need to patch up. This is where we had water coming down before, well, we had the plastic, so all we got to do is just fill that bit up. Once it's dried, then just scratch it again, it'll blend in nicely. And that is basically it for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. The building's coming on really nice, it's almost there. Probably tomorrow we'll do some work inside. So if you like this video, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, and we'll see you back here tomorrow. So take care, have a good day.